Hi everyone, I will be taking you on a tour to Jollibee located in Mandela Quirino. Get ready to enjoy some delicious Filipino fast food favorites and experience the warmth of Filipino hospitality. Let's make unforgettable memories together. Jollibee is the best tourist spot located in Mandela Quirino, known for its famous dishes such as Chicken Joy, yummy spaghetti, and many more. It's more than just a place to eat. With its lively vibes and friendly people, it feels like a warm hug every time you visit. So if you want tasty food and a friendly atmosphere, Jollibee in Mandela is the place to go. Before you order, check out the menu on the big screen to pick what you want, whether it's Chicken Joy, Jolly Spaghetti, or any other item. Additionally, the prices of the goods here are so very affordable that every kid can buy them. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Jollibee. It's not just a place to get food, it's a delightful experience that will make memories you will cherish. Moreover, it's the best spot to spend time with family, friends, and loved ones that ensures laughter and joy. Until next time, bye!